Hello, beautiful people, and how are you doing? My name is Caroline Wamboy, and welcome back to this amazing channel. So, today it's just a quick and short one. Just spend a productive day with me. Yeah, I of course start my day with some laundry, and on this day, the clothes were too little. Yeah, so I cleaned up so quickly. Yeah, after that, we're going to clean the fridge together, organize the living room, and later in the day we're going to go for a small back to school shopping, and that will be it with the video. So stick around and watch to the end and get motivated. Pick a motivation or two from the video.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
I was not actually deep cleaning the fridge because the freezer was still full. Yeah, I was just wiping the lower side of the fridge because it looked so untaken care of. Yeah, so I cleaned the compartments and just wiped it so well. Yeah, that water that I was using to clean the compartments was warm, so I just added in some vinegar in it. Yeah, vinegar cleans the fridge so well, and it also helps to eliminate those unnecessary smells.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now. But expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks.
For the living room, I just dusted it. Yes, the normal dusting that I do daily. And these pillowcases have been here like the whole week unattended. But finally, their time had come. Yeah, I needed to put everything into place before starting the week. Yeah, so later in the afternoon, I went to do some shopping, which you're going to see just a little bit of it. I needed to buy the essentials that my daughter was going to carry to school, and I didn't tag you along, but you're going to see what I got.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go, no matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run, it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
So it's back to school, and I passed by supermarket and got a few items, some of which my daughter needs to go with to school. So I bought a few pieces of tissues, I think four. Yes, one piece of yogurt, has some milk, 2 packets. Yes, and this one is on offer, 56 shillings per half a liter. I also got some cakes, some mini mandazis, a loaf of bread, some washing powder there, and it was on offer. It had some free soap. Yes, my daughter's hot pot, the other one broke. Yes, she normally carries food, that's why I got another one. And some hand wash. Yes, she will be carrying this to school. This and 3 pieces of tissues, and one of the serviettes here is also hers. Yes, I'll be left with one in the house, then the other one she will take to school. Yeah, the serviettes were also on offer. I think I got them at 78 shillings. They had an offer of about 41 shillings. Yes, that's why I picked two. And of course I got some tomatoes and some onions. Yeah, so that's the little shopping. Yes, but I mainly did it because of my daughter, because of those few items that she needs to carry to school tomorrow. Yeah.